I have a dream too. I have a dream that one day in this district, we will prepare each and every student to be a productive citizen in the global society. I have a dream that one day our students will use virtual reality to enrich their learning experiences. They will develop knowledge that transfers between education and industry through hands-on and visualization teaching tools such as augmented virtual reality. Think about what this could mean for our students. Electricians could practice without the fear of being electrocuted. Surgeons could practice that very intense procedure over and over again until they get it right. Future social workers could be immersed in family situations and they have to make the best decision for children and families. Our students would experience history by being immersed in it. They could walk the March on Washington with Dr. Martin Luther King. Biology classes could interact with organisms too small for them to see with the naked eye. Carpentry students could practice on virtual shop tools without actually going into the shop for safety reasons. Math students could manipulate real-world situations to find the most effective solution. Educational virtual reality immersive learning could include STEM, career exploration, construction and architecture. They could train forklift operators, HVAC repairmen, healthcare workers, automotive, aviation, hospitality and tourism, and even prepare these students for their first interview. Just imagine what we could do. The possibilities are endless. I have a dream that one day our students will master the soft skills needed for them to be successful in the 21st century. These skills include critical thinking, communication, collaboration, creativity, people skills, teamwork, motivation, flexibility, initiative, work attitude, effort, friendliness, and optimism. Can you envision what our schools, our communities, and our workforce would be like if our kids had all of these soft skills? Then we wouldn't worry about headlines saying that the U.S. is no longer globally competitive. We would be, because our kids would be critical thinkers. They possess complex communication skills and be able to solve problems. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day our students will be able to master academic concepts at their own pace. We will do away with grade levels and grades A, B, C, D, and F. Students will work on concepts until they master it. This high-quality, competency-based education will include explicit, measurable, transferable learning objectives that empower students. Assessments will be meaningful. Students will receive timely, differentiated support based on their individual learning needs. Learning outcomes will emphasize competencies that include application and creation knowledge. Competency-based education is rooted in the belief that all students can learn the material if they're given the time and the opportunity. They must be challenged, believed in, and supported, because educational equity means that each child receives exactly what he or she needs to develop his or her academic and social potential. Students would graduate from high school without having to go into those remedial college classes. They would be able to go into the workforce without much entry-level training. This is my hope and faith. With this faith, our district will transform education for this generation and the generations to come. We will use virtual reality to place our students in their learning. We will ingrain 21st century soft skills into them, and we will have our students master academic concepts at their own pace. This will be the day when students have access to an assortment of learning opportunities that allows them to progress at their own pace and prepares them as a future-ready workforce. Thank you.